Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and it's time for all the shawarma lovers to assemble.
And let me introduce you to this oven grill skewer pan by Judaily. It is amazing but simply conceptual pan that has 3 different size of skewers. You can easily just screw it in, take the protection off, and start stacking the meat, onions, and any other vegetables you want. We use this for a shawarma recipe, so we made sure we marinated the chicken with shawarma seasonings and made sure we baste it with all of that yummy, juicy goodness. We put it in the oven, and this is just so perfect because of the pan. Once it sits, you take it out about 2-3 times, and you take that good juices and you baste the meat. This is going to make it so juicy and flavorful. Then after the 3rd time, you can take it out and enjoy delicious shawarma meat. And the skewer makes it perfect for it to be evenly cooked, and now you can just cut it down and it falls into the remaining juices. You can just keep on working your way around until you've cut all the chicken. Move the skewer out because it is very sharp. And now you can mix it up in the juices and add it to your pita bread. You can add any toppings and sauces you would like to make delicious shawarma gyros. We are a big fan of this, and we just loved that we can now make it at home. And because it is an aluminum pan, it was so easy to clean, and it is just such a fun, unique thing to have in our kitchen.
This was something that I didn't even know existed, and I am so glad I found it. It makes such good food and is so much fun. And that's my point of view.